close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
If you are coming to the Jogimatti, make sure that you should come in the early in the morning so that you can see wonderful top in the top view. Okay guys, finally we have covered almost the peak. Yeah, chalo, let's get into it. So finally we have reached the top of the Jogimatti hill, and you can see in the back side that is one of the viewpoint. You need to climb that ladder and you can see entire the snow, fog, everything. So let me introduce the fog right now. You can see, dun, dun, dun. Yeah, this is the entire fog. Let me go deep into that, very near, and let me explore more. Amazing views, my dear friend. Amazing to amazing view. You need to go very, very near, man.
My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high.
Spending time with the nature is always one of the best thing you can do. Can you see the view? The entire view, the 360-degree view. So you can see the sunshine, the snow, the fog. So it was really absolutely mesmerizing one. Yeah. So pretty much exciting, and I am super happy, So super duper happy. So finally we are inside the Jogimatti viewpoint. Everyone who are visiting Chittorgarh has must and should visit this place. Jogimatti place is one of the wonderful places. You can see the nature. There are so many people out there in downside. They are taking selfies and they are enjoying with nature. Trust me, it was awesome. Yeah. Okay. So fine then. I will also enjoy some time with nature, and I will see you later. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing great. Firstly, super solid good morning to one and all who are watching this video. So where are we right now? Right now we are in Jogimatti and we are in the viewpoint. Can you see in the background? So trust me, it is one of the mesmerizing view and amazing view. I'll show you to the view also. Can you see the background? The sunshine, the snow, the fog. It was really a deadly combination, you can see. And yeah, trust me, no matter how much busy you are, at least once in a week or maybe 15 days a month or maybe once in a month, you have to visit this kind of nature and you should explore yourself. That is where you can grow yourself as a personally and you can see wonderful inner transformation. So fine, then I will see you in the next upcoming video. Until then, you take care. Bye bye. You take care. Bye bye.